Good evening, Southeast Texas. Continuing to watch showers abating across the area and moving south. Education First Federal Credit Union showing partly cloudy skies on the Roofing 911 Skycam network. The skeeter meter, how about tomorrow? Much lower values. Why? Well, the mosquitoes that affect the triangle are mainly marsh mosquitoes. So with a brisk northerly wind, we may get a little break tomorrow and also Thursday, but back to Friday, start to see a southeasterly wind, maybe late day, back up to high levels. Otherwise, you can see quite a bit of high level cloudiness up towards the lakes area, but you're done. I'd say roughly from Hardin County, southern Jasper and Newton counties northward, you're pretty much done with the rain. Just a few showers in through Chambers County, the heaviest activity, back over to Jefferson and Orange for about another hour or so. The heaviest activity now moving towards Stoll, out of Winnie and away from, Liberty and also Devers at the present time. Currently, we're at 78 on our Weather Watcher network. In Hampshire, Tim Trahan reporting 79. And Port Arthur, MJ Ponsagra reporting a trace of rainfall. He's currently at 79, currently 82 into Orange. Further to the north in Jasper, it's 81, 80 at Travis's house in Woodville. And in Warren, Jim Monk reporting 77 degrees and 3/100 of an inch of rainfall. Temperatures down into the mid to upper 50s in the Texas Panhandle. Amarillo will likely be in the 40s tomorrow morning. 63 currently into Wichita Falls, but 77 in the Dallas, 79 in Houston, 81 into Corpus, but still 90 degrees at this hour back over towards Laredo. And that front continues to press on down to the south. Skies are clear up into the Texas Panhandle. And as a dry air mass filters on in with breezy north winds, it's going to feel pretty nice coming up the next several days. You're looking at dew points. When you see dew points in the 60s and 70s and 80 degrees, as we saw here in the Triangle earlier this evening, it is very warm, very humid. But once you get into the 30s, 40s, and 50s, it starts feeling pretty nice. So look how we go into the 40s. Yeah, that's some dry air. You may need the chapstick coming up, maybe not tomorrow afternoon, but possibly as we head towards the end of the week. A much drier air mass is figuring to move in. As far as the tropics, watching Peter, it is expected to dissipate as we head towards Friday morning and turn to the north and east thanks to our cold front. And looking at Tropical Depression Rose with winds of 35 miles an hour, not going to be an issue either. And the North Atlantic, watching the remnants of Odette. Don't think we're going to have a problem with that. And Invest 98L, it's inbound, so we'll watch that. A high chance it's going to develop over the next 2 to 5 days. And as you can see, modeling still, some of them take it off to the west, others try to redirect it to the north. It's just too early at this time. We've got over a week to watch this before we can ascertain where it's going to go. In the upper levels, nice trough of low pressure moving through the northern plains, and that is dragging the cold front in. Now, as we head towards Thursday, nice ridge of high pressure means beautiful weather and ensures that we will see dry weather. Then as we head towards, towards the weekend, Friday, Saturday, we'll have to watch this area of low pressure. This is upper level low pressure. Notice the counterclockwise swirl. This is upper levels at 34,000 feet. The question is, when does it eject? In other words, when does it come our way? Well, we'll take a look at that in just a second. So showers and thunderstorms, this is overdone, but as you can see, we're done pretty much by midnight, I think, and we'll see a decrease in cloudiness as a north wind takes hold and that starts advecting or transporting a much drier air mass. Low to mid 60s in the morning, then tomorrow lots of sun, highs, lower 80s. Thank me later. Choppy seas on the Gulf tomorrow around 2 to 4 feet. We'll see a small craft advisory for north winds at 20 to 25. Give it a 20% shot here in the Triangle, otherwise decreasing cloudiness as winds start to pick up over the next couple of hours. We'll see lows bottom out in the low to mid 60s. Tomorrow, just a beautiful day, a real keeper. Wish we could bottle it up. Otherwise, lots of sun Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. That's when you're going to see the coolest weather, and you'll probably need something on the arms for a few hours in the morning. But we should recover into the lower 80s. Should be a comfortable day on Thursday and Friday. Saturday and Sunday, a slow warming trend. And then as we head on into next week, the big question is, when do we start seeing showers? Could we see it on Monday? Sure, it's possible. Will it hold off on to Tuesday? Yeah, it depends on which model is right. This is next Tuesday evening. One area or one model shows disturbance moving through Texas. That would bring it in on Monday into Tuesday. The other one is much slower. So what do? When you have this much inconsistence, I don't think I'm saying that word right, uncertainty, will blend.